This is the Holiday Coil QuickTree mounting system. This is the QT2, the most popular and versatile topper we have. It's designed for our PixNote strips, which use standard 12mm pixels, and it's versatile in that it allows you to build all the popular MegaTrees that you would use. What we have here is we have 4 concentric rows. On the 2 outer rows we have 16 strips each, and on the 2 inner we have 12 each. And this allows a lot of combinations. So if you wish to build a full 360-degree tree, we can go, combining the 2 outer rows, 32 strips, or a full 360-degree, combining the first 2 inner rows, we can go to 24 strips. Now, we can also do half a tree, or 180 for example. That's a very common tree. If you wanted to do a standard, very common 16-strip tree, but only in a 180, no problem. Simply combine these 2 outer rows and you have 16 strips. If you want to do a 180 on the inside, you can do up to 11.5 in a 180 on these 2 inside rows. Now, and of course, you can also use these rows individually, which could be smaller, for example, 6.5 on this inner row, or even 12 on this inner row for this outside extra area. So, let's go through some of the other features on this QuickTree mounting system. What we have is in the center a hole cut for standard 1 3/8 inch pipe rail. This is available at any hardware store, and it's available in the fencing section. What it does is it simply slides into this hole, and then using the included compression screw, it expands the plastic around the outside with the 4 screws, allowing the unit to compress onto the pipe. So let's show you that now. So what we're going to do is take our pipe and simply just put it right into this hole, sliding it on. And you can see that now we can use the top for mounting another pipe or onto a star, or we have an option to cut this flat, and we'll show you another option using flanges. Now, how you mount the unit is using guy wires, and we have a variety of different suggestions at the bottom of our page here. You can see that there are several holes on the outside. These are designed so that you can either use 3 or 4 guy wires. You will note that one of these holes does have a notch in it right here, and that indicates that's the back hole. And what we have here is 4 here or 3 here. Now, we've also conveniently cut in a 1-inch hole over here. And the 1-inch hole is important because if you're running a cable, waterproof cable in particular, up from the bottom of your tree up to a star, if you've got all of these strips so tight together, there is no real space to run your wires through there or to make it unsightly. By simply having the hole here, you run the wire right up through this, no problems at all. Now, we've also conveniently drilled pre-starter holes for flanges, either 1/2 inch or 1 inch flanges. So if you have a standard iron pipe type flange, the kind you get at the hardware store, you simply drill these holes out and the flange will mount on there. And where that's useful for is either one, if you wish not to use this pipe rail and you would rather use hard pipe, either for the center, or if you'd rather use it for the star, you can go either way. There's enough space, including the holes here, to allow for that. This is the QuickTree 2 from Holiday Coil.